Hello, this is lesson number 7 of the series of IBM SPSS course, and in this lesson we construct a bar chart. It is used to get an impression of the distribution of the discrete data or categorical data. It showed categories on the x-axis and the frequency on the y-axis. Let's create a bar chart. We have two options, like we can create a bar chart by going to analyze descriptive and frequency, which we see in the last lecture number 5. Just click on the frequency. We have a variable of categorical variable. We have gender, categorical area and status. We have a status variable. Click on the chart button, so you can select a bar chart here. Just check on this and continue. Then you uncheck this display frequency table, so click on the OK. So you can see on your screen we have a bar chart of different categories. On x-axis we have categories: graphic designer, web developer, data analyst and data scientist, and the y-axis we have different frequency, and the length of the bar is showing the frequency. Let's see the second method of creating a bar chart. We have to go to a graph, and now we have to select chart builder. We have a new window in which we have a variables box, we have a canvas, we have different charts given below, and in gallery we select in which we are interested, or like I select bar, and I just double click, or I can hold and drag and drop into the canvas. So in which variable you are interested, so again select those variable and drag into the x-axis. So just click on the OK. So this is the method of creating a bar by chart builder. Click on OK. So it generates same like we create by using a frequency option. You can also edit these charts or this output. For editing this, double click on the chart. It will open a new window. So you can see we have a new window open. Just double click on this. We have a new window which is called properties, in which we have different options. Like you can say we have different frequencies. We can exclude any frequency, like I want to I drop data scientist category. Just click on cross, and you can see when I apply, in the bar chart we have only 3 categories: graphic designer, web developer and data analyst. So also I have different options. I have bars length, you can see width, you can see I can edit all these settings by clicking these options. We have fill, and you can change the color of the bar. You can also change chart size. So like this you can edit your chart by these options. So when you close this, it will you can see your changes will be shown in your screen.